Dear student, welcome to Edupa Gain. Today we are discussing about Indian polity through MCQ. Today's session is third part of Indian polity. Today we are discussing about schedule of Indian Constitution. This is schedule part number 2. If you don't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Let's begin. Today we are discussing about MCQs of schedule of Indian Constitution. The first question is, the first schedule of the Indian Constitution primarily deals with option number A, forms of oath, option number B, distribution of powers, option number C, names of states and union territories, and option number D, official language. Correct answer is option number C, name of states and union territories. Next question, question number 2, which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the first schedule? Which article? Option number A, Article 1, option B, Article 2, option C, Article 3, and option D, Article 4. The correct answer is option number A, Article 1. Article 1 is related with first schedule of Indian Constitution. Next question, how many parts are there in the first schedule of the Indian Constitution? Option number A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 4, option D, 5. The correct answer is option number A, 2. Option number A is correct answer. So how many parts? The 2 parts under the first schedule of Indian Constitution. Question number 4. The first schedule of Indian Constitution contains the list of option A, fundamental rights, option B, directive principle of state policies, DPSP, it means DPSP, directive principle of state policies. Option number C, states and union territories. Option D, official language. The correct answer is option number C. Option number C, states and union territories. Question number 5. Which state is the first listed in the first schedule of Indian Constitution? The first listed in the first schedule of Indian Constitution. Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Assam. Option D, Bihar. The correct answer is option number A. Option number A, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the first listed in the first schedule of Indian Constitution. Question number 6. Which union territory was recently added to the first schedule of Indian Constitution? Option A, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Option number B, Lakshadweep. Option number C, Chandigarh. Option number D, Puducherry. The correct answer is option number A, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Next question is, first schedule mentions the territorial extent of which entities? Option A, only states. Option B, only union territories. Option C, both states and union territories. Option D, neither states nor union territories. The correct answer is option number C, both states and union territories. Question number 8. Which of the following is not listed in the first schedule? Which is the following is not listed in the first schedule? Option number A, Goa. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Telangana. And option D, Gorkhaland. The correct answer is option number D, Gorkhaland. Gorkhaland is not listed in the first schedule of Indian Constitution. The Goa, Sikkim and Telangana is listed in the first schedule of Indian Constitution. Question number 9. The first schedule has been amended to include the names of new states. Which amendment added Telangana? Option A, 100th amendment. Option B, 99th amendment. Option C, 101st amendment. And option D, 102nd amendment. The correct answer is option A, 100th amendment. Question number 10. In the first schedule, the term Union Territories refers to option number A, territories governed directly by the central government. Option B, autonomous regions. Option C, states with special status. Option D, areas with legislative assemblies. The correct answer is option number A. Option number A, territories governed directly by the central government. Next question. Which union territory listed in the first schedule has its one legislative assembly? Now, which union territories? The question is asking about which union territory under the first schedule has its one legislative assembly. Option A, Lakshadweep. Option B, Chandigarh. Option C, Puducherry. Option D, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The correct answer is option C, Puducherry. The first schedule of Indian Constitution was amended for the first time by the which Constitutional Amendment Act? Option A, First Amendment Act 1951. Option B, Second Amendment Act 1952. Option C, Third Amendment Act 1954. Option D, Fourth Amendment Act 1955. The correct answer is option C, Third Amendment Act of 1954. Third Amendment Act of 1954. Question number 13. As per the first schedule, how many union territories are there currently in India? Question number A. Option number A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option number B, 8. 8 union territories under the first schedule of Indian Constitution. Question number 14. Which states was not part of the first schedule originally but was later added? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Nagaland. Option D, Punjab. The correct answer is Nagaland. Option number C, Nagaland. Question number 15. Which Constitutional Amendment Act reorganized the states and altered the first schedule in 1956? Option A, 7th Amendment Act. Option B, 14th Amendment Act. For option C, 21st Amendment Act. And option D, 24th Amendment Act. The correct answer is option A, 7th Amendment Act. Next question. What is the significance of the first schedule in terms of federal structure? Option A. It outlines the powers of the central government. Option B. It lists the division of powers between state and the center. Option C. It defines the geographical boundaries of state and union territories. Option D. It lists the official language. The correct answer is option number C. It defines the geographical boundaries of state and union territories. Question number 17. Which state is listed immediately after Assam in the first schedule? Option A. Bihar. Option B. Chhattisgarh. Option C. Gujarat. And option D. Haryana. The correct answer is option number A. Bihar. Question number 18. When Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into the two union territories, which amendment was made to the first schedule? Which amendment was made to the first schedule? The option number A, 100th Amendment Act. Option number B, 101st Amendment Act. Option number C, 102nd Amendment Act. Option number D, Recognition Act 2019. Reorganization Act 2019. The correct answer is option number D, Reorganization Act of 2019. The next question is, which state listed in the first schedule was formerly a union territory? Option number A, Goa. Option number B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Sikkim. Option D, Haryana. The correct answer is option A, Goa. Question number 20. The first schedule was amended to include which state in 1975? Option number A, Sikkim. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Tripura. Option D, Mizoram. The correct answer is Sikkim. Option number A, Sikkim. Option number A, Sikkim. Question number 21. The first schedule mentions the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Option number A. Option B, Ladakh. Option C, both Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Option D, neither Jammu and Kashmir nor Ladakh. Correct answer is option number C, both Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Question number 22. Which of the following is a union territory as per the first schedule? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Ladakh. Option D, West Bengal. The correct answer is option C, Ladakh. Question number 23. Which state is listed in the first schedule and is known for its tea plantation? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Assam. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Karnataka. The correct answer is option number B, Assam. Question number 24. The first schedule provides the territorial jurisdiction for how many Indian states? Option A, 27. Option B, 28. Option C, 29. Option D, 30. The correct answer is option number B, 28. Question number 25. Which of the following state is listed in the first schedule and was formed in the year 2000? Option number A, Chhattisgarh, option B Uttarakhand, option C Jharkhand, and option D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Option number D, all of the above. Question number 26. In the first schedule, which union territory is mentioned as a group of island? In the first schedule, group of island mentioned as a group of island. Option A, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Option B, Chandigarh. Option C, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Option D, Puducherry. The correct answer is A, option A, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 27. Which Amendment Act of the Constitution added Arunachal Pradesh to the first schedule? Option A, 24th Amendment Act. Option B, 55th Amendment Act. Option C, 56th Amendment Act. Option D, 57th Amendment Act. The correct answer is option number B, 55th Amendment Act. Next question, 28. The first schedule of the Indian Constitution lists how many Union territories after the bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, 27, option B, 8, option C, 9, and option D, 10. The correct answer is option B, 8. Question number 29. Which of the following language is recently added to the Schedule 8 of the Indian Constitution, which listed the recognition language of India? Option A, Santhali. Option B, Bhili. Option C, Bodo. And option D, Dongri. The correct answer is Santhali. Correct answer is option number A, Santhali, which is added in the Indian Constitution of Schedule number 8 in 2011. Okay, remember it. 2011, Santhali is added in the Schedule number 8 of Indian Constitution. Question number 30. Which of the following union territories is not listed in the first schedule of Indian Constitution? Option A, Andaman and Nicobar. Option B, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Option C, Daman and Diu. Option D, Ladakh. The correct answer is option D. Option D, Ladakh. Ladakh is not under the first schedule of Indian Constitution. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Have a good luck to all my students. Thank you.